Hello, this is an explanation video for Monday, January 11th. So for this week, you will come down to Module 15 through 18, and then Module 16, January 11 through 15, Day 1, January 11. Okay, so let's look at our sync first. Here is the agenda for our Zoom class today. We're going to have a grammar practice where we ask and answer information questions in small groups. We will also preview vocabulary for our reading assignment in the async. This will be page 80 in the textbook. Also, we will read out loud from our book, A Picture of Nobody. So if you click here, this is the grammar practice activity that we'll do in small groups. You're going to look at these different pictures and think of as many questions as you can that come to mind. And this is a reminder of the grammar that you'll use for these questions, the question word, auxiliary, subject, verb. So for example, what are they doing? What are they saying to each other? Right? And there are 4 different questions you can look at and ask questions. So the purpose here is not to answer questions, but to think of questions you can ask and to practice the grammar of questions. Okay, then here is where we will preview the async assignment in the textbook. You're going to discuss part A in your group, and you will then look at part B. You'll look at part 1A, and you will discuss the meaning of the different words, such as job site, issue, filed against us, endangering, escalate, ASAP. And then if you don't know the meaning, you can Google it for OSHA and bottom line. So this is a vocabulary discussion about this text here in part A. And then finally, here is our picture of nobody text, and we will read some of this in class today. Now let's look at the async. So first we have a Nearpod on negatives. So that's the new grammar for this week. We're going to talk about how to say negative sentences. So you want to join this lesson and read all the information and do the practice exercises as well. Okay, then the last async is to look at the textbook, page 80, part 1A, 1B, and 2A. And you will put a picture of your answers here in the comments for me to look at. And that is it for today, January 11th. Thank you and best of luck.